At noon, according to a court ruling released just a couple hours ago, some of North Carolina's COVID-19 lockdowns were deemed unconstitutional. This relates to a lawsuit filed against the governor on behalf of bars and restaurants. WRAL state government reporter Will Doran here to follow this case. I know you've been keeping a close eye on it. Tell us, what was this case all about? Give us a little specifics on it.
Yeah, so this deals with the COVID lockdowns for bars and restaurants specifically. Now we're going back to 2022. They sued during the pandemic. They brought this lawsuit saying that Governor Cooper allowed restaurants to partially open, but not bars, and that was a violation of their rights, they claimed.
And the reasoning behind the governor saying that bars are different than restaurants, why is that?
Yeah, so he said that there are kind of unique concerns with bars. You know, people might be spaced closer together. Maybe there would be dancing, singing, yelling, other concerns like that. But the bar said they could have complied with all of the same social distancing rules as the restaurants. And today the judges agreed. They said that Cooper did violate the bar owner's constitutional rights since he had no scientific evidence to treat them any differently.
So what's the recourse here? What happens next? Does the state have to pay these bar owners for money that they lost?
Well, probably not. So the bar owners had brought a number of claims that could have led to financial compensation from the state, and the Court of Appeals actually shot a lot of those down. So while they did get a win on some things, they didn't get a win on everything, and it could go up to the state Supreme Court now. We've reached out to both sides, the governor and the bar owners, to see what might happen next. We have not heard back.
We will wait to see what happens next. Thanks, Will, for following that so closely. And for more on this ruling, coming 4 years after COVID lockdowns began now, you can head to the NC Capitol section of WRAL.com.